Friday, cooler. Partly cloudy with a 20% chance of rain showers. Highs in the lower 50s. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-30s. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County, northeastern Marion County, eastern Hamilton County, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Fishers, or 10 miles northeast of Indianapolis, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Anderson, Carmel, Fishers, Noblesville, Lawrence, Elwood, Westfield, Pendleton, LaPel, Edgewood, Frankton, Meridian Hills, Williams Creek, Woodlawn Heights, Country Club Heights, River Forest, Castleton and Geist Reservoir. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 200 and 216, and between mile markers 220 and 221. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hamilton,